Last weekend was no fun, didn't get to ride. Bike wouldn't start, so picked up the shim kit, couple pieces, some formulas, whole little work area, and just finally got it done. I think what I got on the exhaust, I got it up to 0.28 millimeters, and on the intake, swapping out shims until I found 0.12. Pretty solid, pretty even. I already gave it a rip. It took like 5 or 6 kicks to get it started, but I lost a spring, so I had to put on a wire because it just blew the header off. Give it one more kick right now. Two kicks to start, chokes on, that's why it's a little loud. And that's my first time doing shims. I had the bike for like 8 years.